Hey guys, and welcome. As you can see, we're in a really well lit garage. This is the underground. I'm going out for Sam for a ride. Work's finished, so it's time to play. Just look at those headlights, huh? Right, let's go. Hey guys, right, this is you looking at me, looking at you. So let's just go for a ride, and I think we'll head towards Augsburg. I've not shown you Augsburg before, so let's go on. As you can see, I'm not in my usual BMW garb. I'm actually in my new Revit jacket, and I've got it padded out because it's a cold day again. Now my new sat-nav 6, it's connected into Sam, so it has all of the diagnostics that you would expect, and she talks to Sam, so I can pick up a lot of the what's the word I'm looking for, information about Sam, about what's going on. Now, as you can see, dark clouds, so it's probably going to rain. Hey, so what? It's not work, and it's time for some fun. So let's just go and have some fun. I may have to sprint along the autobahn, just for a little bit. And I forgot to clean the screen. Sorry guys. I promise I will clean the screen later. Yeah. A bug decided to commit suicide. Now it's just after lunch. I've been working all night, so I'm a little bit tired, but before I go to bed, I wanted to have a little bit of fun. So that's what we're going to do. Have a bit of fun, a little bit of, well, just rest and relaxation. I'm in the need for it. Oh good, and there's a perfect spot for me there. Into the slip road. Lovely curves and lean angles are allowed. And as you can see, Sam just effortlessly glides. Now, here we go. I've picked my room. And here we go. That was 0 to 130 miles per hour in about 4.5–5 seconds. It was probably a bit longer, but hey, Sam's flying anyway. I'm gliding along on my auto machine. And I know you guys, I make it look effortlessly. Sometimes you can have one of those mini-me moments. I should have gone and got some fuel. when I was home in the States, it was just over $5 a gallon. Here, it's probably about $12.50 a gallon. Massive big difference. It's time to roar. I gave the Audi the option to overtake, but he didn't. Now he's coming. So let's give him some stretch. His acceleration off the mark isn't as good. Just let him go now. He's been spanked. Oh, it was a Volkswagen. Bye. I'm going to go down to the next service station and then I'm going to head off from there. So I'll catch you guys in a little while.